If you're paying monthly for ChatGPT, image tools, video tools, and voice tools, stop, because this one dashboard claims to replace all of them for a one-time price. That's a big claim. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what Multiverse AI does, who it's for, what it's not for, and whether it's actually worth buying today. Let me be upfront. Multiverse AI is not magic, but it is one of the most aggressive replace-everything AI platforms I've tested. If you're a creator, affiliate, freelancer, or agency owner who hates monthly subscriptions and tool hopping, this makes a lot of sense. If you expect it to do the work for you without effort, it's not for you. Now let me show you why. Multiverse AI is a cloud-based AI command center. Instead of signing up separately for writing AI, image AI, video AI, voice AI, and coding tools, you get one dashboard that gives you access to multiple AI text models, image generation, AI video creation, voiceovers, file chat, and automation tools, all inside one login. It's built for new affiliate marketers, content creators, freelancers, agencies, anyone tired of monthly AI bills, and it solves a very real objection. I don't know which AI tool to use, and I can't afford all of them. Once you log in, everything runs in the cloud. No downloads, no setup. From the main dashboard, you choose what you want to create: text content, images, videos, voiceovers, or automation tasks. You can manually select an AI model or use Auto AI mode, which automatically picks the best engine for your task. For example, writing long-form content, generating short social posts, creating images for ads or thumbnails, producing AI videos from text, creating realistic voiceovers without a mic. Everything exports in one click. You don't jump between tools. You don't deal with APIs. You don't upgrade plans every time a new model comes out. That's the real advantage here.
Hey there, stop whatever you're doing and listen carefully. Be honest, how many tabs are open right now? Canva here, ChatGPT there, a voice app, an image app, a video tool, a writer, a researcher, a code helper, plus the credit top-ups you keep buying just to finish a project. $29 here, $49 there, $97 somewhere else. That's the hidden tool stacks tax. You're paying more, juggling more, and somehow getting less. And the context switching? Brutal. Copy, paste, reformat, export, re-upload across apps that barely integrate. Dead time, broken flow, missed deadlines. Meanwhile, AI is moving at warp speed. New versions drop every quarter. Faster, smarter, cheaper alternatives appear overnight. Your competitors are quietly running multi-model, multi-version setups, spinning content, visuals, voice, and automations while you hit rate limits, token caps, and upgrade to use this version paywalls. So real talk. Why force a 2025 business through a 2010 tool stack? Why get stuck paying for one model, one version, one bill when there's a better way? That's why we built something radically different. Something built for creators, freelancers, agencies, marketers, and everyday entrepreneurs like you. Introducing Multiverse AI. Breakthrough, never seen before AI app lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs with multi-versions access, current and upcoming, from a single dashboard. And replaces all expensive AI model versions with just one super dashboard. With just 3 clicks, you'll unlock all top AI models with all versions, plus all upcoming future versions without spending a penny. Access to all top AI models and versions, Multiverse Power, ChatGPT family, GPT-5, GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT 4.1, and more. Google Gemini Suite, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini 1.5 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Flash. Grok AI models, Grok 1, Grok 1.5, Grok 2, Grok 3, Grok 4. Claude models, Claude 3 Opus, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Claude 3.7 Haiku. DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek V3, DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek Coder V2. DALL-E Image AI, DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3. Kling Video, Kling 1.5 Pro, Kling 1.6 Pro, Kling 2.1 Standard, Kling 2.1 Master. Google Veo, Video AI, Veo 2, Veo 3, and much more to come. All future models included for free. And the best part, it's super simple. Even if you're brand new to AI, you can start creating like a pro in minutes. No editing, no recording, no design skills. Just click, prompt, publish. Multiverse AI is built for smart entrepreneurs, content creators, digital marketers, agencies and freelancers, innovators building SaaS, courses, and client services. Whether you want to build your own brand or sell done-for-you content, 4K AI images, sites, or code, Multiverse AI gives you everything you need to launch, grow, and scale without limits. And right now, during this special launch event, you can get lifetime access to Multiverse AI for a tiny one-time payment. No subscriptions, no upsells, no locked features, just unlimited AI power for life. That means no more paying $100 plus every month for multiple tools, no more bouncing between platforms or apps. Just one powerful dashboard that does it all. Faster, better, smarter. But don't wait, this is a limited time offer, and once the launch ends, Multiverse AI will switch to a monthly pricing model or vanish entirely. So ask yourself, do you want to keep paying more for less, or are you ready to upgrade to something built for your future? It's time to break free from outdated, overpriced, underperforming tools. It's time to unleash your AI advantage. It's time for Multiverse AI. Click the button below to grab your lifetime license now. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. Zero risk, infinite potential. Multiverse AI, built to create, powered by AI, designed for you. But please, don't close this page and think about it. Once we hit capacity, the doors close, and the price will never be this low again. If you're ready to work smarter, move faster, and build your digital empire without limits, click below and get started now.
There are optional upgrades, and you don't need all of them. Here's the short version. Upgrade 1, Unlimited Usage, removes caps and restrictions. Upgrade 2, Pro AI Automation Tools, faster workflows and advanced features. Upgrades 3 through 7, Templates, Speed Boosts, and Expansion Tools. These are convenience upgrades, not mandatory. Upgrade 8, Enterprise or White Label, for agencies or people who want to resell AI access. You can start with the front end and upgrade later if needed. If you pick this up through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus stack. These bonuses are designed to help you actually use Multiverse AI to make money. Here are some highlights. Bonus 1, Conversion Booster Toolkit. Tools to increase clicks, urgency, and sales on any page. Bonus 2, List Building Automation Pack. Everything you need to collect leads on autopilot. Bonus 3, SEO and Free Traffic Toolkit. Keyword research, article optimization, and backlink tools. Bonus 4, Video and Social Growth Pack. Create viral style content without being on camera. Bonus 5, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Step-by-step training to monetize AI tools properly. Bonus 6, Funnel and Landing Page Builder Tools. Build pages that convert without coding. Bonus 7, Client and Agency Starter Kit. Perfect if you want to sell AI services. Bonus 8, Done-for-you website assets. Templates, blogs, and ready-made site content. Bonus 9, Automation and Support Tools. Chatbots and engagement systems that work 24/7. Bonus 10, Lifetime Bonus Vault Access. Ongoing tools and training added over time. These bonuses are not available anywhere else and are delivered instantly after purchase. I'll mention these again at the end because they matter. So here's the real verdict. If you're paying monthly for multiple AI tools or avoiding AI because it feels expensive and confusing, Multiverse AI is a smart move. It doesn't replace thinking, but it does replace subscriptions. Important warning, this launch price and bonus stock will not stay live. Once the timer expires, bonuses are removed and pricing increases. If you want one dashboard, no monthly fees, and lifetime access, click the link below before the deadline. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. To get Multiverse AI, all features, and the full bonus stock I showed you, click the link below this video. After purchase, your bonuses will be delivered automatically on the thank you page. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next review.